The clock keeps ticking, but the hands feel slow. Your shadow lingers where the flowers grow. I trace the air where your laughter used to flow. Every whisper in the wind says stay. Every heartbeat pleads don't fade away. I love you so much it hurts to breathe. Don't go away, don't leave me in this grief. I love you so much it cars my soul. Don't go away, you're the part that makes me whole. Your perfume's a ghost that won't let me be. The stars blink dimmer since you're not with me. The moon's a hollow shell, lost at sea. Every tear that falls is a silent plea. Every moment screams you're my destiny. I love you so much it hurts to breathe. Don't go away, don't leave me in this grief. I love you so much it cars my soul. Don't go away, you're the part that makes me whole.